Intro. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI model deployment. If you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or just someone interested in the cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence, this video is for you. We'll explore how to build a seamless AI model deployment pipeline that takes your work from development to production-ready automation. In recent years, the demand for AI solutions has exploded across various sectors, including healthcare, finance, retail, and more. However, despite the significant advancements in machine learning algorithms and tools, many organizations struggle with deploying their AI models efficiently. A seamless deployment pipeline is crucial to ensuring that models can be utilized effectively in real-world applications. So, let's break down the key components of a successful AI model deployment pipeline. Section 1: Understanding the deployment pipeline. First, let's clarify what we mean by a deployment pipeline. In simple terms, a deployment pipeline is a set of automated processes that allow us to take a model from development through to production. It includes stages like model training, validation, testing, deployment, and monitoring. Each stage is essential for ensuring that the final model is robust, scalable, and performs well in real-world scenarios. The deployment pipeline is akin to a manufacturing process. Just like in a factory, you have raw materials that undergo various transformations to produce a final product. In our case, our raw materials are data, and our final product is a deployed machine learning model. Every step in this process needs to be carefully designed and executed for everything to run smoothly. Section 2: Data preparation. The first and one of the most critical stages in the deployment pipeline is data preparation. Data is the lifeblood of any AI model, and the quality of your data will directly impact the performance of your model. In this stage, we address several key tasks: data collection, data cleaning, and data transformation. Data collection involves gathering raw data from various sources, including databases, APIs, and external datasets. Once we've collected our data, we must clean it. This involves handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting errors. A clean dataset ensures that our model will learn the right patterns without the interference of noise. After cleaning, we proceed to data transformation. This step involves normalizing or scaling features, converting categorical variables into numerical ones, and splitting the dataset into training, validation, and test sets. Properly preparing our data sets the foundation for building a reliable AI model. Section 3: Model development. Once our data is prepared, we can move on to the model development phase. This is where the magic happens, and machine learning engineers begin crafting the algorithms that will drive our AI solutions. In this stage, we typically go through several steps: selecting an algorithm, training the model, and fine-tuning hyperparameters. Selecting the right algorithm is crucial. Depending on the problem we're trying to solve, whether it's a classification task, a regression task, or something else entirely different, algorithms may be more suitable. We must also consider factors like the size of our dataset and the complexity of the data. Once we have our algorithm, we begin training the model using our prepared training dataset. During this stage, the model learns patterns and relationships within the data. After the initial training, we evaluate its performance on the validation dataset, allowing us to fine-tune hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are the settings that govern the training process, and adjusting them can significantly improve model performance. Section 4: Model validation and testing. Model validation is a critical step in the deployment pipeline. It ensures that the model not only performs well on training data but also generalizes effectively to unseen data. The goal is to avoid overfitting, where the model performs excellently on training data but poorly on new data. To validate the model, we typically use techniques like k-fold cross-validation, which divides the training data into k subsets, or folds. The model is trained on k1 of these subsets and validated on the remaining one. This process is repeated k times, allowing us to get a more accurate assessment of the model's performance. Once we're satisfied with the validation results, we move on to testing. The test set, which the model has never seen before, provides an unbiased evaluation of the model's performance. Metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score can be used to quantify how well the model is performing. Section 5: Containerization and orchestration. After validating and testing the model, it's time to prepare it for production. In today's cloud-native world, containerization plays a vital role in deploying AI models. Containerization allows us to package our model along with its dependencies into a single container. This ensures that it runs consistently across different environments, whether it's on a developer's laptop or in a cloud environment. Docker is one of the most popular tools for containerization. By creating a Docker image of our model, we can easily share it with others and deploy it to various platforms. But simply containerizing the model isn't enough. We also need orchestration to manage these containers effectively. Kubernetes is a powerful orchestration tool that helps manage containerized applications. It automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications, making it easier to maintain and operate our AI models in production. By leveraging Kubernetes, we can ensure that our models remain available, scalable, and resilient. Section 6: Deployment Strategies. With our model containerized and orchestrated, we can now deploy it. However, the deployment process isn't as straightforward as simply pushing the model live. Different deployment strategies can impact how we integrate our model into existing systems and how it performs in real time. One common deployment strategy is blue-green deployment. In this approach, we maintain two identical environments, one that is currently live, the blue environment, and one that is idle, the green environment. When we deploy a new model version, we do so in the green environment. After successful testing, we can switch traffic from the blue to the green environment, minimizing downtime and risk. Another popular strategy is canary deployment. This involves rolling out the new model to a small subset of users while the majority continue using the old version. This way, we can monitor the new model's performance in a controlled manner, allowing for a quick rollback if issues arise. Section 7: Monitoring and Maintaining. Deployment doesn't mark the end of the journey. In fact, it's just the beginning. Once our model is live, we need to monitor its performance continuously. This involves tracking key metrics, such as prediction accuracy, response time, and resource utilization. Monitoring tools can help us gather insights about how the model is performing in real time. For example, we can use services like Prometheus or Grafana to visualize metrics and set up alerts for when performance drops below acceptable levels. Additionally, we must consider model drift. Over time, the data that the model encounters in production may change, leading to a decline in performance. Regularly retraining the model with fresh data and validating its performance is essential for maintaining its effectiveness. Section 8: Automation in the Pipeline. Finally, let's talk about automation. A seamless deployment pipeline relies heavily on automation to minimize human error and increase efficiency. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, are vital concepts here. CI/CD involves automating the integration and deployment processes. With CI, every time a change is made to the codebase, it is automatically tested and integrated into the main codebase. CD takes this a step further, automatically deploying the latest version of the model to production once it passes all tests. By implementing CI/CD pipelines, we can ensure that new versions of our models are quickly and safely deployed, making it easy to iterate and improve upon existing models. Conclusion: building a seamless AI model deployment pipeline is no small feat, but by understanding and implementing each of the steps we discussed today, from data preparation to monitoring and automation, you can create a robust framework for taking your AI models from development to production. In conclusion, remember that the key to successful AI deployment lies in meticulous planning, continuous monitoring, and a commitment to automation. By following these principles, you'll ensure that your models not only perform well in a testing environment but also deliver value in the real world. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI and data science. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with AI deployment pipelines in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating.